In this session, we are going to know a new structure. The structure is I was busy. The structure is I was busy. After I was busy, we have to use V1 plus inform. I was busy plus inform, V1 plus inform plus something. This is the structure. Okay. Now let's see what the usage of this structure. This structure is used to express an ongoing action. This structure is used to express an ongoing or activity that the speaker was engaged. The speaker was engaged in during a specific period in the past. During a specific period in the past. Speaker So what is the structure? I was busy. I was busy structure. With I was busy, we have to use V1 plus inform. Okay. What is the usage of this structure? This structure is used to express an ongoing action which is going on in the past. Means the ongoing action in the past. Okay. So the speaker was engaged during some specific period in the past. Here, the structure is used to express an ongoing action which was going on in the past. At that time, the speaker was engaged. The speaker was engaged. So, in this sense, we have to use this structure. I was busy structure. Now, let's see some examples. I was busy. I was busy finishing up some work. I was busy finishing up some work. See here, if you notice, after I was busy, we are using inform. Okay, actually, what is this structure? The action which was continuing in the past, Actually, the speaker was engaged in the specific period of the past. Okay, so this kind of sense can be expressed with this structure. The structure is I was busy. Okay, now I was busy reading a book. I was busy reading a book all the day yesterday. Which means the speaker was busy reading. The speaker was busy reading all the day yesterday. Means he was very busy by reading a book. Yesterday's means all the day yesterday. Next. I was busy preparing for my exams. I was busy preparing for my exams. I was busy cooking dinner for my friends. I was busy cooking dinner for my friends yesterday. Which means I was very busy by cooking dinner. For whom? For your friends. Means in the specific time of the past, you were engaged with cooking. Okay, now I was busy attending meeting. I was busy attending meeting the whole day. Attending the meeting the whole day. I was busy cleaning the house. I was busy cleaning the house and didn't hear the phone ring. Did not ring the phone ring. I was busy I was busy organizing my closet and lost track of time. I was busy writing an article. I was busy writing an article for my website. I was busy driving. I was busy driving and could not text you back and could not. I was busy packing my bags. I was busy packing my bags for my trip. I was busy training for the marathon. I was busy training for the marathon. I was busy taking care of my sick pet. I was busy taking care of my sick pet. I was busy practicing the guitar. Practicing the guitar for my music exam. I was busy painting my bedroom. I was busy shopping for groceries. I was busy shopping for groceries. I was busy designing a new website. I was busy designing a new website and could not call you back. I was busy attending a seminar and did not check my email. I was busy exercising at the gym. I was busy hiking in the mountains and did not have phone, have my mobile. I was busy studying for my final exams. And did not have much free time. I was busy creating a PowerPoint presentation. I was busy walking. I was busy fixing my bike. I was busy fixing my bike. I was busy knitting a sweater. I was busy knitting my sweater and could not call you back. I was busy writing a novel. So I could not meet you. I was busy practicing yoga. I was busy practicing yoga. Therefore, I could not meet you. Okay, thank you. Let's meet in the next session.